back at it again. I know y'all ain't seen this yet. Yes, sir. Trying to get these line striping done. I'm gonna help my neighbor out too, so he can kind of get a visual where his parking lot says. Judge Carl Brown is who that building belonged to. Cool older cat. Just told him I'd help him out. But might need to be something I add to the arsenal. I might be painting lines for y'all. Hit me up if you need somebody that might need to hit y'all with some affordable parking lot painting. But welcome back. We're at the shop, Fresh Start building. So quick disclaimer. I ain't never painted lines before. But you gotta admit, I'm not bad. I'm not a construction worker. I do not own a paint store. I'm just a guy with a couple of cans of spray paint and tried to give me a little bit more organization in this parking lot. So, at the end of the day, you can see where the park at. It ain't no zigzags. I did mess up. This was at the end, though. I don't want y'all to think this is the beginning. I thought I had it down pat, and it started swerving. I don't know. That area was a little bumpy. But at the end of the day, you know where to park, and you also know you better stay on the other side of the yellow line if you ain't supposed to park. Because guess who we got? We got Watkins Towing. So if you're on this side, you better be coming to this Fresh Start building. If you're on this side and you ain't, these cameras see y'all. And I'm gonna have to request Watkins Towing Services. Hello. But I got a little bit more to do. I need to move these leads out the way before I try to do this side. But see y'all on part 3 of this video, I guess. Yep, almost forgot. But yeah. We got what you call lines. It ain't perfect, but it's something. Probably could have did them smaller, but oh well. It all works. Ran out of yellow over there. I'm gonna finish that up. Also gonna help my neighbor, Judge Carl Brown, out. Probably gonna end up darkening his lines. Need a couple more cans of white. But yeah, ain't no excuses when I get ready to start towing. Hit me up, SOARing. We do parking lines too. Fast and affordable. If you need it, hit me. Shout out to Watkins Towing again. We'll be getting them up out of here real soon. Real soon. I can feel it. I can feel it in the air. But yeah. But let's check out this back view of how this door progress going. Shout out to Mr. Joe. Oh, you know what? I got another light. I can cut this spotlight on for y'all too.
Okay.
Let me go I was lazy. I ain't had no shovel. We're gonna get all right. Somebody get me a new broomstick if you can. It broke on me. But this still good, so I'm gonna keep him. You know, it's the VIP owner parking. Shout out to the Noops. Achievement. We out here doing it. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. We got double doors. Now, the doors still have to be leveled and all of that. Unfortunately, Maynard forgot to give me my hardware. So the door to the right, let's see if I get some finger ass. The door to the right, this is the stationary door, so it's gonna have 3 locks, or 2 locks at top and the bottom. And then the middle latch from the door that this is gonna be your main swinging door. Got this hardware, but we don't have any of this hardware, and we're missing 3 sets of hinges. So what we did was temporarily, we got 1 hinge here, and then 1 hinge. But Monday, I'll be checking in with Maynard, and we'll see if we can get the rest of these parts. Not to mention, Maynard forgot the bolts. So we're gonna get the bolts that's supposed to go on this door. And you can see, it's not really bolted in here. We got 1 or 2 set up in there, but those are not the actual bolts. The doors are prime, but we're going to probably paint these doors black. I think it'll be dope. I don't know, what y'all think? Black, or should we go, ooh, we gotta go with the vote. We'll go with the vote on the inside, and we'll probably do the black on the outside. But it gotta be vote. I ain't even gonna lie to you. A big vote door, where y'all seeing that at? But yeah, we at the Fresh Start building. My guy, Mr. Joe, I met him around the corner, fixing up his mother's house on 12th Street. And just a solid older cat, dropped a lot of games, showed a lot of appreciation. Well, matter of fact, let me turn this camera around. Yeah, so it's late. It's most definitely late. Mr. Joe, he was an older guy that's been dropping knowledge as far as seeing a young black man doing something like this is major. I challenge more young black individuals, male or female, to just invest in ourselves, invest in our community, put our money into things that has longevity and purpose, because what this generation is finna do for our future is going to be critical. Our nieces, our nephews, this is our sons and daughters. This is the generation that can take us to the next level if we guide them the right way. So always supporting the MBK, the mentoring, building on knowledge, also known as my brother's keeper, because at the end of the day, it's like, if we not doing it for ourselves, who gonna do it for these kids? We just gotta be realistic. So all this building right here, my nieces, my nephews, my family, if you in Augusta, we ain't gonna hurt for nothing. We too talented to sit back and let our talents go to waste. So I'm just gonna lead by example. It's literally 108. been here all day. My son and my nephew was up here earlier with us, just watching TV, playing games, just, you know, getting them out the house. But at the end of the day, them seeing their uncle and their father owning a building, watching it come from start to finish, it's going to inspire their mind on a whole nother level to just know, like, hey, we can be entrepreneurs. I don't want to work for somebody. I want to work for myself. Dad, teach me how to create a business. Teach me how to save money. Teach me how to invest. And that's all I'm here for at the end of the day. I don't care if I don't. Now, granted, I done manifested millions. So this ain't going to be my only property. But all I'm saying is I don't care about the money. I don't care about the money. I care about the purpose. And the purpose is inspiration, guidance, and growth. So as long as we doing those three things, I'm good. I'm at peace. My family know I'm at peace. My wife know I'm at peace. My circle know I'm at peace. So you either could come, rock with us, support us with our embroidery. I got a lot of big projects that's coming, that's gonna be coming through these double doors. But limitless possibilities. We're gonna get all the work done. Check back in with us one more time. Fresh Start Building. We're getting closer and closer to that opening date. I'm gonna let y'all know. I still got ventilation to do. The windows is on the way. I ain't checked in with a little while because I just didn't have a lot to report. But just know, we back, we still moving. It's one day at a time, progress. The show must be recorded. And yeah, I love y'all, I believe in y'all. I'm inspired by y'all. We out, we at the Fresh Start Building. Oh yeah. Y'all see it, that SOARing, paint still dry. Gotta put the rubber stripping back on, but y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. Touch up paint. Gotta give me some more gray. This room and barbershop needs some touch up paint, but yeah. We in there. New doors, SOARing, Vote green. Y'all see how we coming. Come on now. Buy to the movement. We get left behind. I also forgot to tell y'all, we got backdoor surveillance. Yes, sir. When it's dry, I gotta get my door sensors put on there. Yes, sir. Block this door. Make a vinyl run. Got some stuff to make for the noobs. Yo to the noobs. What else new? Still ain't got the door lock on, but what else new? Y'all see the blinds got installed? I ain't recorded the video in so long. I gotta go through the archives, see what's new. But yeah, you know, was in here in the office, getting it tidied up, knocking out some work. So yeah, we'll probably get our first video, first little project in the shop. Knock out this vinyl. We're gonna record that process. Hopefully this video drop before I do that, because that gotta be a different video. But yeah, tune in. We at the Fresh Shop Building. Turn me up.